The tuna noodle casserole stands out as a beloved comfort food, showcasing economical ingredients that make it a mainstay in countless households. Its recent resurgence highlights a nostalgic return to classic meal options. Similarly, beef stroganoff casserole, inspired by a traditional Russian dish, gained popularity in the United States during the 1950s. Its creamy consistency and straightforward preparation have contributed to its renewed favor. In the mid-20th century, ham and cheese casserole emerged as a practical way to utilize leftovers, reflecting the era's resourceful cooking habits. Its distinctive ingredients draw from rich European culinary influences. This casserole incorporates ingredients such as frozen hash browns, cream of chicken soup, and cheddar cheese, often finished with a topping of crushed corn flakes or breadcrumbs. When baked, this blend transforms into a delightful bubbly, golden brown dish. Although its popularity has varied due to evolving dietary preferences, the cheesy potato casserole has recently reemerged. People are rediscovering its comforting essence, particularly during family meals and social gatherings. This dish frequently evokes a sense of nostalgia, conjuring memories of family reunions and comforting meals. Its straightforward nature and satisfying taste make it a cherished favorite among diverse cultures across the United States. Originating in the UK, shepherd's pie cleverly uses leftover roasted meat, typically lamb, under a layer of mashed potatoes. It gained traction among the working class throughout the 18th and 19th centuries. Chili mac casserole combines macaroni with chili, rising to popularity as a convenient meal in the mid-20th century. This comforting dish is often a go-to during the chilly months. Swiss steak casserole features tender pieces of beef simmered in a rich tomato-based sauce, firmly establishing its place in American comfort food history. It remains a favorite for its ability to stretch more economical cuts of meat. Stuffed pepper casserole combines meat, rice, and a colorful array of vegetables, baked until the flavors meld perfectly. This classic dish is a staple at family gatherings. Eggplant Parmesan casserole provides a vegetarian alternative, showcasing layers of eggplant, tomato sauce, and cheese. This easy-to-prepare meal is ideal for home cooks seeking convenience. Seafood casserole embodies the coastal culinary traditions, featuring shrimp and crab enveloped in a creamy sauce. While its popularity has waned, it remains a comforting choice for family dinners. Jambalaya casserole illustrates a fusion of African, Spanish, and French influences, with roots in Louisiana's local ingredients. This hearty dish endures as a beloved option at potlucks. Chicken and rice casserole showcases its lasting appeal as an easy-to-make meal. This classic comfort food became a staple in many homes during the 1960s and 70s. Another example is beef and biscuit casserole, a comforting dish that highlights American cuisine with its combination of ground beef and cheese baked with refrigerated biscuits, aligning with the trend of hearty one-dish meals. Chicken Divan is a dish with origins dating back to mid-20th century New York City, reflecting the diverse flavors that characterize American cuisine. Developed in 1955, green bean casserole exemplifies the concept of convenience cooking and has become a Thanksgiving staple, renowned for its simplicity and ease of preparation. Ultimately, the rise of convenience foods profoundly influenced family meals in post-World War II America, giving way to the widespread appeal of dishes that prioritize quick and easy preparation.